Everyone gets the same 24 hours in a day. But why do only some people achieve their goals, while others struggle? Do you feel like you never have enough time, no matter how hard you run? If so, listen to this. In an old clockmaker's workshop, an elderly man was carefully fitting tiny gears together. His assistant stood by the window, sighing as he looked at a long list of tasks: studying, exercising, spending time with family, creative work, and household chores. "Sir," the assistant asked, "the day is like a small box. I have so much to do. No matter how I try to rearrange things, I can't seem to close the box. How do I find time for everything?" Without looking up from his work, the old man placed a glass jar on the table. He filled it to the brim with large stones. "Is the jar full now?" he asked. The assistant nodded. "Yes, it is." The old man then took a handful of pebbles from under the table and poured them into the spaces between the large stones. He asked again, "Is the jar full now?" The assistant smiled. "I guess there is still some room." Next, the old man poured sand into the jar. The sand filled every tiny space between the stones and pebbles. Finally, he poured a glass of water, which seeped all the way to the brim. "This," the old man said, looking at him, "is how you manage your time. To find time for everything, you must become an expert at prioritizing." Large stones. These are the most important things in your life: your health, career goals, and relationships with loved ones. If you don't put these in the jar first, there won't be room for them later. Pebbles. These are important, but secondary. They fit around your main goals. They are necessary, but they shouldn't consume all your time. Sand. These are small, trivial tasks: checking emails, social media, or minor chores. Let these fill the remaining spaces. If you pour the sand in first, there will be no room for the stones and pebbles. Water. Even when the jar looks full, there is still a little space. This represents rest, unexpected joys, and helping others. These are the things that make life meaningful. The assistant looked at his list again. He crossed out the trivial sand tasks and decided to focus on the large stones first thing in the morning. By noon, he realized that by prioritizing correctly, the rest of his work started falling into place on its own. You don't need to find time for everything. By prioritizing what is truly important, you can automatically create the space to get everything done.